That's our hotel. This is the parking. It's already 1:30, so we are going towards the restaurant where we are going to place our order and then check into our room. Let's see. This is the Nilgiri Express restaurant. Wow, this is nice. The ambience is really good. Looks very cozy. Soft lighting, bright color scheme. Nice. We just ordered টা দিয়ে দিই, তারপরে রুমে গিয়ে লাগেজগুলো রেখে ফ্রেশ হয়ে তারপরে এসে আমরা লাঞ্চটা করব। By the way, just look at the view from the restaurant. There is an outside seating arrangement here, you can see. This is also cool. There's a nice view here. I like it better here than inside. Nice. This is the games room. Oh, there's a kids room there. Nice painting.
Thank you.
This is our room, room 502. Open, open, open. Knock, knock, knock.
Come in, please.
Thank you. This is our room. Premium suite.
Yes. have to leave. Bye.
Just look at the room. So this is a space, this is a sitting space. Over here, there's a small pantry. There's the TV. I think this is a very comfortable couch. Somebody can also sleep here if you want. And this is the bedroom. A king size bed, TV. There's a cabinet here. And just look at the view. Wow, just awesome. Beautiful. You can see the whole of Ooty from here. Nice. So early in the morning, with a cup of tea or coffee in your hand, simply just sit on the bed and enjoy this view. This is the toilet and it's very small. You can see this is the space, the basin here, and see, this is so small, very narrow. Otherwise the toilet is quite neat.
As you can see, there are flies in the room.
Here's one.
There's one more. Also, the washroom is smelling. There's one more here. तो भाई और बहनों, हमको एक हीटर भी प्रोवाइड किया गया है। आप लोग देख सकते हैं, यहाँ है। छोटा सा है पर काम चल जाएगा।
छोटा सा है बट प्यारा सा है।
अच्छा सा भी है।
नाइस रूम।
बहुत ही अच्छा। Look at the view.
The view is really good. That's our lunch today, and that's Supriya serving us.
Yes.
She's also from Kolkata.
Hello, Supriya.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, this is a lunch today. This is an Indian thali which we have taken.
Indian combo.
This is a combo thali.
Yes.
Okay, so what we have here, we have jeera rice, we have bhindi masala, we have dal, paneer, some kind
That's
of
a mixed
masala.
veg.
Is it? Mixed veg. Okay, that's a mixed veg.
And
this is
veg
hara
biryani
bhara kebab.
Hara bhara kebab.
And our favorite gulab
Gulab
jamun.
jamun.
And salad here. Rotis.
Awesome.
More is coming.
This is veg pulao, paneer butter masala, and raita.
This is the hotel. This is the parking. There is a small playground for the kids. It's called the Kids Park. Only for below 12 years.
Adults are not allowed.
Yes, adults are not allowed. They are allowed to supervise. This is the spa. Just look at the beautiful flowers. This is the tea stall where they serve complimentary tea, coffee and snacks. But right now, since it's raining, they are going to serve it in the restaurant. And this is a open space here. You can just sit and chill and enjoy the view. Just look at the architecture of these buildings. All colonial style architecture. Nice garden. Let's go that side. I mean, the view there is better. Just look at the clouds floating by. This is the property.
तो अभी हम ऑब्जर्वेटरी डेक की ओर जा रहे हैं। यहाँ से आप 360 व्यू ले सकते हैं पूरे ऊपर से। यहाँ पे ग्रास है आर्टिफिशियल, ताकि आप स्लिप ना हो जाए। यही तो माउंटेन्स का मज़ा है। कभी बारिश होती है तो कभी धूप निकलती है, कभी धूप कभी छाँव। तो चलिए जाते हैं। आप देख सकते हैं यही है हमारा होटल, स्टर्लिंग एल्क हिल। इसके टोटल 3 ब्लॉक्स हैं। तो आ गए हम। अब 180 डिग्री ले सकते हैं, 360 नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि पीछे तो होटल है। एक ग्लास बॉक्स जैसा है।
You can see the Ooty lake from here. There, in that distance.
Wait.
That's the Ooty lake. Yes. This is the observatory deck from where we can see a 180-degree view of Ooty. We can see the Ooty lake, we can see the bus stand, we can see the race course and many more spots which we cannot identify right now. The main course we have crumb fried chicken.
With a dip.
This is a dip.
Fondue fish curry.
The fish curry is moog makhani.
Makhani. Chili.
Gobi chili.
Hakka noodles.
Hakka noodles.
Hasselback potatoes.
Potatoes.
These are interesting.
Looks good. Designed potatoes. This side we have dal tadka.
Dal tadka.
This is bhindi masala,
Matar paneer.
butter paneer, dal
Dal
khichdi,
khichdi.
which no one touched, I guess. This side we have steamed rice,
This is masala pulao.
masala pulao, and this is the live counter. And this side we have the desserts.
Also known as desserts.
No. Many people call it dessert, but it is not dessert, it's dessert.
We have strawberry burfi, khaja, pudding cake, chocolate intermate, puff pastry. This looks interesting.
Yes.
Then we have vanilla gateau and coconut halwa. There are also two
This is very
flavors of ice.
interesting. See,
You might not feel like eating after seeing it.
and this side
flavors
we
of ice
have
cream.
ice cream. 2 flavors of ice cream. That's strawberry, chocolate and strawberry.
It was a mistake. It's not vanilla. It's
It's a
strawberry.
mistake. This is his plate, and this is mine.
Hi. So I'll do a quick food review. Options are not too many, but I was hoping that we'll start with some hot soup. However, the soup which I took, chicken sweet corn soup, it turned out to be very cold. So now they've gone to get me a new one.
And what about the starters?
Starters, look, there are standard salads as you saw. I'm not going to indulge in a lot of salad in the night, but starters are okay. I've taken some fried chicken and gobi manchurian or whatever it is, and this is a potato item. I'm yet to have it, but I hope it's going to be good.
Pasta in the making. And this is Namta Bolun.
Vikram.
Huh?
Vikram Majumdar.
This is Vikram Majumdar. He is also from Kolkata. Not really Kolkata. He is from Krishnanagar, which is a district in
Nadia.
from Nodia district. I will not say Nadia. It is Nodia. That is a Bengali pronunciation.
Yeah.
topped with cheese and olives. Thank you. Thank you. After the full day, rain, thunder showers, finally.
And
we
red
got-
alerts and orange alerts.
Yes.
Filled with clouds.
Finally,
and
we
clouds
got
and
to see
clouds.
the moon.
Yes.
Yes. Hopefully tomorrow
You
we'll
can
get
see
a
stars
better
also, but we can't capture
weather.
it in the camera. It is
Oh.
not possible.
So we are outside to take a look at our hotel in this darkness, and this cold breeze is coming. Temperature is around 17, 18. Let me show you the night view of our hotel.
Get a thin jacket.
No, you should keep both, thin
Really?
and a thick one, so that whenever you require, you can use it.
Pause.
It's looking so beautiful. That's Ooty. From here,
I think that's the main marketplace, right?
yes, that's the main road.
Main road, and there are lots and lots of shops there. खरीदारी करनी हुई तो आ जाना इधर, बहुत चीजें मिल जाएंगी.
That's the main reception.
It's actually the entrance.
Yes. There's a huge dinosaur there.
With a sweet little
Lot of Christmas trees which you can't see in the dark.
Maybe if you come during Christmas, it'll be decorated.
Yes.
Fresh jacket. These are waistcoat. These are the bags.
You get sweaters here. All the woolens. Nice selection. This is the women's section, I guess. Tops and kurtis, bags. What are these magnets? You can get magnets here.
Fridge magnets.
How much are the magnets?
100 rupees.
100 each. All are 100
Yeah,
each?
all are.
Okay.
All.
Look at the bikes.
Nice. How much are the
Candle
bikes?
stands.
Thanks for watching Travel Hughes. If you like our videos, please do like, share, and of course, subscribe our channel. See you in our next video. Bye bye.